First thing I want you to do, I want you to take that egg white. Can I turn the mute on real quick? I want you to take this egg white right here. Here, can I have that, please? No, you're going to do this. You're going to dump this into here. Oh, you're dripping everywhere, baby. It's okay. I don't mind. But now, what I want you to do, okay, here, you can lick it in a minute. You can lick it in just a second. Put it down real quick. Okay, we'll put it right here. I want you to take that. Take this right there. I want you to dump it into the brown sugar. Dump it all in there. Dump it in, just dump it in. Hold on to it, though. Because, say, that's egg. Good job. Now, we're going to put the molasses in now, okay? Now, here's the challenging part. I'm going to let you do it. But, now, let me put it on the counter first. Now, I want you to pick it up with two hands, without spilling, and I want you to dump it right in there. Dump it in. Well, dump it all in there. Got to get it all. Good. Keep dumping, keep dumping, keep dumping. See, that's molasses. Keep dumping. Great job, great job, great job. Right now, okay, put that down. Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to take the butter. Just the butter, put the butter in there. Use this. Scoop it out and put it in. Can you do that? Don't get it on, don't put it in. Here. Well, scrape it on the side. Scrape it on the side. Now go some more. Just get a whole bunch and just put it right in there. Oh. Good job. Doing great. Oh, okay, good job, good job, good job. Keep going, you gotta get it all. You're doing great, baby. Scrape it on the side. Scrape it on the side. Oh, I don't want it on the floor. But that's okay. I'm not mad at you if you do.
You're silly, Daddy.
I'm silly? Okay, get all of it in there. Get this over here. There you go. Get all this butter. Scoop it out. Scrape it out. Scrape it out. There you go. Oh, so you put it in your mouth instead of it. I think there's more butter in your belly than there is in there. Let me see. See real quick. Okay, there you go. I'm glad this is, I can't believe it's not butter.
Hey.
Well, we're cheating a little bit. We're trying to make some healthy stuff. Okay. Great job.